First sum, chapter 4, fourth chapter trigonometry, exercise 4.2. First sum, find the values of the following. The first one, cosecant 15 degree. Cosecant 15 degree. Second sum is a sin minus 105 degree. Third is a cot 75 degree. We should find out this value. So first one, cosecant 15 degree. We know that cosecant theta equal to 1 divided by sin theta is the formula. Same formula we should use 1 divided by cosecant theta. Cosecant 15 degree is sin 15 degree. So sin 15 degree we should write, we don't know this value 15 degree. We know that value sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60 and sin 90. So we should change that format 1 divided by sin 45 degree minus 30 degree is sin 15 degree. So that is equal to 1 divided by sin a minus b equal to, formula is sin a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is the formula. Sin a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is the formula. Substitute this formula here. A is the 45 degree, B is the 30 degree, sin A minus B, sin A cos B, sin A, sin 45 degree, cos 30 degree, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, cos 45 degree, sin 30 degree. We know that value sin 45 is sin 45 degree equal to 1 divided by root 2. Next cos 30 degree is 1 divided to root 3 divided by 2. Cos 30 degree value. Next cos 45 degree value is 1 divided by root 2. Next sin 30 degree is 1 divided by 2 is sin 30 degree. So we should substitute this value here. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2 minus cos 45 is 1 divided by root 2, sin 30 is 1 divided by 2. So we should multiply this 1 into root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2 minus 1 into 1 divided by root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2. So that is equal to, take the LCM, 2 root 2 is the LCM, 1 divided by 2 root 2 is the LCM. What is the value? Root 3 minus 1. Its reciprocal value is root 3 minus 1 divided by 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2 is its reciprocal, then 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1. That's all the cosecant 15 degree value. Next sin 105 degree. Sin minus 105 degree. Final value. So we know that the one of the formula is sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta is the formula. So substitute this formula here, minus sin 105 degree. So minus sin 105 degree we should write 60 degree plus 45 degree. 60 plus 45 is 105. Sin A plus B, formula we know that sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is the formula. We should substitute this formula here, minus of sin A cos B, sin 60 cos 45 plus is the symbol cos A sin B, cos 60 sin 45. That is equal to minus of sin 60 degree. What is the value? Root 3 divided by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 divided by 2. Cos 45 is 1 divided by root 2 plus cos 60 is 1 divided by 2 into sin 45 is 1 divided by root 2. So that is equal to minus of root 3 into 1 is root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 is LCM. 2 root 2 is LCM. 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. This is the value. Sin of minus 105 degree equal to minus root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 is the value. That's all. Next show cot 75 degree, third sum. Cot 75 degree is we should write tan 75 degree 1 divided by tan 75 degree. We know that cot theta equal to 1 divided by tan theta is the formula. So another one formula we should write 1 divided by tan 75 degrees, we should write 45 degree plus 30 degree is a 75 degree. So we should substitute this formula. Sin tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b is the formula. Tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b is the formula. So substitute this formula here. 1 divided by tan a plus b is tan a, tan 45 degree, a is 45 degree plus tan b, b is 30 degree, tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan a tan b, tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree. It's a reciprocal, then 1 minus tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree divided by tan 45 degree plus tan 30 degree. So we should write this value. Tan 45 is 45 degree equal to 1. Tan 30 degree equal to 1 divided by root 3 is the value. So we should substitute here 1 minus tan 45 is 1 into tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 divided by tan 45 1 plus tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So that is equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3 is 1 by root 3. Take the LCM. Root 3 into 1 is root 3 plus 1 whole divided by root 3. So that is equal to, cross multiply here, root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 whole divided by root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3. Root 3 cancel. So root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 is the answer. Cot 75 degree is what? Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 is the answer. That's all. Second sum. Find the values of the following. The first one, sin 76 degree cos 16 degree plus cos 76 degree sin 16 degree. So first sum is sin 76 cos 16 plus cos 76 sin 16. So it's a formula. We know that sin A cos B plus cos A sin B equal to, we know that the formula sin A plus B. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B equal to sin A plus B is the formula. So substitute this formula here. Sin A plus B, A is 76 plus B is 16 equal to sin A plus B. 76 plus 16 is 92. Sin 92 degree. That's all. Second sum, sin pi by 4 cos pi by 12 cos pi by 4 sin pi by 12. So same formula we should use. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B equal to sin A plus B is the formula. So that is equal to sin A plus B. Sin A is pi by 4 plus B is pi by 12. Sin A plus B. So sin, take the LCM, 12 is the LCM. So 3 4s are 12. 3 we should multiply numerator. 3 into pi is 3 pi plus pi one time. So that is equal to sin 3 pi plus pi is 4 pi divided by 12. 4 and 12 is cancelled 3 times sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 value we know that sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree value root 3 divided by 2. That's all. Next third sum, cos 70 degree cos 10 degree minus sin 70 degree sin 10 degree. Its a formula is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is the formula. We know that the formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B equal to cos A plus B is the formula. Substitute this formula. Cos A plus B, A is 70 plus B is 10 degree. So that is equal to cos 80 degree. 70 plus 10 is 80. Next fourth sum, cos square 15 degree minus sin square 15 degree. So we know the formula cos square A minus sin square A equal to cos 2A is the formula. Substitute this formula. Cos square 15 degree minus sin square 15 degree is cos 2 into 15 degree. That is equal to cos 2 15s are 30 degree. Cos 30 degree value is root 3 divided by 2. That's all. Third sum, if sin A equal to 3 by 5 where 0 less than A less than 5 by 2 is the limiter, A limiter. Next, and cos B equal to minus 12 divided by 13, pi less than A less than 3, B less than, this is a B less than 3 pi divided by 2. Find the values of the following. First one cos A plus B, second sin A minus B, third tan A minus B. We should find out. The quadrant we should find. This is the x-axis, y-axis, 0 to pi by 2. This is the limiter 0 to pi by 2. This angle is A. Between the angle is what? A we should take first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. Second quadrant pi by 2 to pi 180 degree. Next third quadrant pi to 3 pi divided by 2. Pi to 3 pi by 2 is a third quadrant. So third quadrant is a B value. Next fourth quadrant. This is a 3 pi by 2 to 360, that is a 0 degree. So values are positive. Sine and cosecant is a positive here, remaining negative. Here tan and cot. Cot is a positive, other ratios are negative. Cos and secant is a positive, other ratios are negative in the fourth quadrant. The first A is a first quadrant. Next B is the third quadrant. Pi to 3 pi divided by 2. So these values are tan and cot only the positive. Tan positive, sine and cos are negative values. Okay. So first one is given sine 3 by sine A equal to 3 by 5. 3 divided by 5. So sine ratio we know that this is a sine A. It's a, we should take a or we should take P, Q, R. Sine A equal to 3 by 5. Sine means opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite is what? 3. Hypotenuse is what? 5. We should have find out another one ratio. We know that by Pythagoras theorem, P R square equal to, formula is PQ square plus QR square. Is the formula PR square 5 square equal to 3 square plus QR we should find out QR square. This is a take left, 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9 equal to QR square. So 25 minus 9 is 16 equal to QR square. So 4 square equal to QR square. So QR equal to what is 4. So QR is 4. We should find out now. Sine A is given. Cos A we should find out. Cos A equal to, cos A is what? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent? QR divided by PR. So 4 divided by 5 is a positive. All the values are in the first quadrant positive. So positive. Tan also positive. Tan A equal to opposite divided by adjacent. So 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4 tan value. Next we should given cos B equal to minus 12 divided by 13. The limit is given pi less than b less than 3 pi divided by 2. This is in the third quadrant, pi to 3 pi by 2. Third quadrant, tan only the positive, other values are negative. So we should find out first one. The B, this is B. Here we should take a P, Q, R. So cos B means it's what is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is what? This side is adjacent, opposite adjacent. So 12. Hypotenuse is 13. So we should find out PQ. Then what is here? PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square is the formula. So substitute here 13 square equal to, what is the PQ is find out PQ square plus QR square is 12 square. So 13 square is 169 minus 12 square is 144, take left 144 minus 144 into PQ square. So we should subtract, then we get 169 minus 144 is 25 equal to PQ square. That implies PQ equal to, take the square root then both sides, so 5. So PQ is 5. Now we should find out sine value. Sine B equal to, we know that this is the third quadrant, sine value is what? Negative. So minus, opposite divided by hypotenuse. So what is there? 5 divided by 13 minus 5 divided by 13. Tan B equal to, tan B equal to opposite divided by adjacent. So it is the third quadrant, tan value is what? Positive. So positive value we should write opposite divided by adjacent. So 5 divided by 12. So this is a tan B value. So now we should find out. So the first sum, cos A plus B equal to cos A plus B value we should find out. Cos A plus B equal to, we know the formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is the formula. Now we should substitute this value here. Cos A is a 4 by 5, 4 divided by 5. Cos B is a minus 12 divided by 13, minus 12 divided by 13, minus sin A is a sin A 3 by 5, 3 divided by 5. Sin B is a minus 5 divided by 13, minus 5 divided by 13. Now 4 into minus 12 is a minus 48 divided by 65, minus into minus plus 3 5s are 15 divided by 5 13s are 65. So take the LCM. 65 is the LCM. Minus 48 plus 15 equal to minus 48 plus 15 is a minus 33 divided by 65. So cos A plus B value is a minus 33 divided by 65. Second sum, sin A minus B. Sin A minus B equal to, we know that the formula, sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is the formula. So we should substitute this value. Sin A is a 3 by 5, cos B is a minus 12 divided by 13, minus cos A is a 4 by 5, sin B is a minus 5 by 13 equal to 3 into minus 12 is a minus 36 divided by 5 into 13 is a 65, minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20 divided by 5 into 13 is a 65 equal to 65 is the LCM, minus 36 plus 20, that is equal to minus 36 plus 20 is a minus 16 divided by 65. That's all the second sum value. Next, the third sum is tan A minus B. Tan A minus B. Tan A minus B is the formula is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B is the value formula. So we should substitute this value. Tan A is 3 by 4 minus tan B is 5 by 12 divided by 1 plus tan A is 3 by 4, tan B is 5 by 12. So we should take the LCM. 12 is the LCM. So 4 3s are 12. So 3 multiple numerator, then what is it? 3 3s are 9 minus 1 12s are 12. So 5 1s are 5 divided by 1 plus 3 and 12 is cancelled 4 times. So 5 divided by 4 4s are 16. So that is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4 divided by 12 divided by 16 into 1 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21 divided by 16. It's a reciprocal, then 4 divided by 12 into 16 divided by 21. Now we should cancel 4 and 12 is 1 time here, 3 times, 3 4s are 12. So 1 16s are 16 divided by 3 into 21 is 63. 16 divided by 63. That's all. Homework. If cos A equal to 13 divided by 14, and cos B equal to 1 by 7, where A comma B are acute angles. Prove that A minus B equal to pi by 3. This is the third sum model. Fourth sum is the homework. Next one, fifth sum. Prove that 2 tan 80 degree equal to tan 85 degree minus tan 5 degree. So we should prove. Solution. First one, now we know that the formula tan x minus y equal to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. This is the formula. Now cross multiply here. 1 plus tan x into tan y into tan of x minus y equal to tan x minus tan y. So interchange these places. Tan x minus tan y equal to, this is we should take right hand side, 1 plus tan x tan y into tan x minus y is the formula. So we should substitute this formula. Tan 85, it's what is the RHS? RHS equal to tan 85 minus 5 degree. Tan 5 degree. Tan 5. So tan x minus y format. So what is the formula here? 1 plus tan x is 85, so 85 degree, tan y is 5 degree into tan x minus y, 85 minus 5 degree. So 1 plus tan 85 degree tan 90 minus 85 is 5 degree. 5 degree we should change it is this format, tan 90 minus 85. Next one, tan 85 minus 5 is 80 degree. Tan 80 degree equal to 1 plus tan 85 tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta is the formula. So tan 90 minus theta formula, so cot 85 degree into tan 80 degree. So we should write 1 plus tan 85 degree into cot 85 is we should write cot theta equal to 1 divided by tan theta is the formula. Cot theta equal to 1 divided by tan theta. So cot 85 degree is 1 divided by tan 85 degree into tan 80. So tan 85 degrees cancel. So 1 plus 1 into tan 80 degree equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 tan 80 degree. RHS we should take let's prove this value is what LHS, 2 tan 80 degree. 2 tan 80 degree equal to LHS. LHS equal to RHS equal to LHS, hence proved. That's all. Sixth sum. If cot alpha equal to 1 by 2, secant beta equal to minus 5 by 3, where pi less than alpha less than 3 pi divided by 2 and pi by 2 less than beta less than pi, find the values of tan alpha plus beta. State the quadrant in which alpha plus beta terminates. So tan alpha plus beta value we should find out. The first one given cot alpha equal to 1 by 2. The limit is pi less than alpha less than 3 pi divided by 2. We should take x-axis and y-axis, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Here 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi, pi to 3 pi divided by 2, 3 pi divided by 2 is 360 degrees is 0 again. So all the values positive, sine and cosecant is positive, other ratios are negative here. Second quadrant, third quadrant, tan and cot only the positive, remaining negative. Next fourth quadrant, cos and secant only the positive, remaining is negative. So we should take alpha is pi to 3 pi divided by 2, pi to 3 pi divided by 2. So alpha lies in the third quadrant. Alpha lies in the third quadrant. So we should find out tan alpha value. We should find out tan alpha equal to 1 divided by cot alpha is the formula. So tan alpha equal to 1 divided by cot alpha value is 1 by 2. It's a reciprocal, then tan alpha equal to 2. Reciprocal, then its value is what? 2. Tan alpha value 2. Next one, also given secant beta equal to minus 5 by 3. Limit is pi by 2 less than beta less than pi. Pi by 2 less than beta, pi is beta lies in the second quadrant. Beta lies in the second quadrant. Beta lies in the second quadrant. The second quadrant, sine and cosecant only the positive, remaining values are negative. Secant beta is what? Negative. So minus 5 by 3, 5 divided by 3. So this quadrant we should take a right triangle A B C. Secant beta is equal to, we know that that ratio hypotenuse divided by adjacent is the formula. Hypotenuse is AC is a 5, adjacent is a 3. This sign minus is the second quadrant, secant beta value is negative. So only positive value we should take in the ratio. Here the right triangle, this is a beta. We should have find out AB. So what is here? AC square equal to AB square plus the right triangle, AB square plus BC square. So AC square is what? 5 square equal to AB is we should find out AB square plus BC is what? 3. So 3 square. So 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. We should take left minus 9 equal to AB square. So 25 minus 9 is 16 equal to AB square. 16 is 4 square equal to AB square. Therefore taking square root of AB equal to what is 4. AB equal to 4. So we should find out tan beta value. Tan beta equal to what is this is a second quadrant, or beta is a second quadrant. Sine and cosecant only the positive, remaining are what? Negative. So minus, this is a 4AB. Beta, tan beta is opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite is what? 4 divided by adjacent is 3. So now we should find out tan beta. We should find tan alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus beta equal to formula. We know that tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. Sorry, 1 minus. So tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. That is equal to, substitute this value, tan alpha is what? 2 plus tan beta is minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 divided by 1 minus tan alpha is 2, tan beta is minus 4 by 3. So that is equal to 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2 divided by 3. Plus into minus is minus. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 by 3. Next 1 3s are 3. Minus into minus is a plus. 2 4s are 8. Plus 8 whole divided by 3. So 3 3 cancel. 2 divided by 3 plus 8 is 11. It is a positive value. It's a greater than 0. It is a positive greater than 0. This is value. Next we should find out alpha plus beta is this is the alpha, tan alpha plus beta value 2 divided by 11. We have to find tan alpha plus beta. So tan alpha plus beta is 2 by 11. Next state the quadrant in which alpha plus beta terminates. So alpha plus beta, two limits are given, pi less than alpha less than 3 pi divided by 2. Another one is what? 5 by 2 less than beta less than pi. We should add both. So pi plus pi by 2. Pi plus pi by 2 less than alpha plus beta less than 3 pi divided by 2 plus pi. So now cross multiple. 2 pi, 2 into pi is 2 pi, 2 pi plus pi is 3 pi divided by 2 less than alpha plus beta less than 2 into pi is 2 pi, 2 pi plus 3 pi is 5 pi, 5 pi divided by 2. Alpha plus beta, it's a tan alpha plus beta is what? 2 by 11. It is here tan alpha plus beta is 2 by 11. It is greater than 0. It's a positive. It's 3 pi divided by 2. Which quadrant? This is a 3 pi divided by 2. Next this is a 4 pi divided by 2. Next 5 pi divided by 2. This is a 5 pi divided by 2. So fourth and first quadrant. Fourth and first quadrant alpha plus beta, but it is a positive here. Tan alpha plus beta is what is here? Negative. So the first quadrant only the positive. So alpha plus beta, therefore positive value in the first quadrant only. So 5 pi divided by 2 to 3 pi divided by 2. Tan alpha plus beta lies on the first quadrant. Alpha plus beta lies in the first quadrant. Why? Here tan alpha plus beta is 2 divided by pi 11. It's a greater than 0. Which quadrant is greater than 0? The first quadrant only all the values are positive. Here tan is negative. So in the first quadrant only the positive for it's alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta lies in the first quadrant. That's all. sum if a plus b equal to 45 degree, prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2, and hence deduce the value of tan 22 and of degree. Solution given a plus b equal to 45 degree, taking tan on both sides, tan a plus b equal to tan 45 degree. So tan a plus b, we know that the formula tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b equal to tan 45 degree value is 1. So 1. Now cross multiply here, tan a plus tan b equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now we should take tan a, tan b is the left hand side, tan a plus tan b plus negative this side of take left hand positive, so plus tan a into tan b equal to 1. You should add 1 both sides. So what is here? 1 plus tan a plus tan b plus tan a into tan b equal to 1 plus 1. Add both side 1 for the result. So 1 plus tan a is the one time plus tan b is the common, these two terms, tan b, what is the remaining here? 1 plus tan a, tan b is the common, then 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 plus tan a is common for this both. So what is the 1 plus tan a is the common. What is the one time 1 plus remaining, what is here? Tan b equal to 2. So 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Hence proved. Next we should find out tan 22 and of degree. We should find out. We know that a plus b equal to what is 45 degree. A plus b equal to 45 degree. So a is 22 and of degree plus b also 22 and of degree, and then what is there? 45 degree. Therefore a equal to 22 and of degree and b also what is there? 22 and of degree. We should take. So a and b values are 22 and of degree. So we should substitute this value from 1. Equation number 1 we should take what is the 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2 is given. Here we should substitute 1 plus tan a value is 22 and of degree, b also 1 plus tan 22 and of degree, b also equal to 4. So a plus b into a plus b is a plus b whole square is the formula. So what is 1 plus tan 22 and of degree whole square equal to 2. Now take the square root on both sides. Then what is here? 1 plus tan 22 and of degree equal to plus or minus root 2. Take the square root, then what is here? Plus or minus root 2. So 1 we should take right hand side, tan 22 and of degree equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 2. So tan 22.5 degree value is what? Minus 1 plus or minus root 2. That's all. Prove that sin a plus 60 degree plus sin a minus 60 degree equal to sin a. First sum. Solution. The first one, sin a plus 60 degree plus sin a minus 60 degree equal to sin a. We should prove. LHS equal to sin a plus 60 degree plus sin a minus 60 degree. So we know that the formula sin a plus b equal to sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is the formula. Next, sin a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This is the second formula. So we should substitute this formula. LHS equal to sin a plus b is sin a plus b is 60 degree. So sin a cos b, sin a cos b is cos b value is 60 degree plus cos a sin b value is 60 degree. Next plus sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. B is 60 degree. So what is sin a cos b 60 degree minus cos a sin b 60 degree. LHS equal to cos a sin 60 plus cos a sin 60 is cancel. So what is here? 2 sin a cos 60 degree equal to 2 sin a cos 60 degree value is cos 60 equal to 1 by 2 is the value. So 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. That is equal to sin a equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next, second sum is the same model. It is a homework. You should do it. First one, if tan theta equal to 3, find tan 3 theta. First one. Second, if sin a equal to 12 divided by 13, find sin 3a. The first one, given tan theta equal to 3 is the value. We should find out tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta equal to, formula is tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is the formula. So we should substitute this value here. 3 into tan theta value is 3 minus tan theta 3, tan cube theta is 3 cube divided by 1 minus 3 into tan square theta. Tan theta is 3, so 3 square equal to 3 3s are 9 minus 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 divided by 1 minus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 equal to 9 minus 27 is minus 18 divided by minus 26. So minus minus cancel. 2 table 9 times 13 times. So 9 divided by 13. It's a tan 3 theta value. Second sum is sin 12 divided by 13. Find sin 3a. Sin 3a formula is sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sine cube A is the formula. So we should substitute the sine A value here and simplify, then we get the answer. So this is a homework, second sum. Use this formula. Next sum, if sine A equal to 3 by 5, find the values of cos 3A and tan 3A. Given solution, given sine A equal to 3 divided by 5, we should take a right triangle A, B, C. This is a sine A is given, so we should take a, this is PQR. PQR. Angle is A. This is A, we should take a opposite divided by hypotenuse is a sine. So opposite is what? 3 divided by hypotenuse is a 5. We should find out QR. We know that PR square equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square plus QR square. So PR square is what? 5 square. PR is a 5 equal to PQ is a 3. So 3 square plus QR square. So 5 square is a 25. 3 square is a 9. Take left, minus 9 equal to QR square. 25 minus 9 is a 16 equal to QR square. So for 16 is a 4 square equal to QR square. Therefore QR equal to 4. Take the square root then. So this value is a 4. Now we should find the cos A. Cos A equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So 4 divided by 5. Next tan A. Tan A equal to opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite is a 3 divided by adjacent is a 4. So 3 by 4. This is a cos A and tan A. We should find first one cos 3A. Cos 3A equal to, formula is 4 sine cube A minus 3 sine A. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A is the formula. Cos 3A equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A is the formula. So substitute this formula here, value here, 4 into cos A. Cos A is a 4 by 5. 4 by 5 cube minus 3 into cos A. 4 divided by 5 equal to 4 into 4 cube is a 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4 is a 64. Divided by 5 cube is a 5 is a 25. 25 into 5 is a 125. Minus 3 4s are 12. Divided by 5. Now multiple 4 into 64. 64 is a 256. 4 into 64 is a 256 divided by 125 minus 12 into, what is multiplied by 5, then we get 125. So 25 we should multiply, then we get 125 for taking LCM. So 25 numerator and denominator we should multiply. So that is equal to 256 divided by 125 minus 12 into 25 is 300 divided by 125. So 256 minus 300 is 256 minus 300 is minus 44 divided by 125. Next we should find out tan 3A. Tan 3A equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A is a formula. So we should substitute this value tan A value here. That is equal to 3 into tan A value 3 by 4. Tan A is 3 by 4. We should substitute 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 whole cube divided by 1 minus 3 into 3 by 4 whole square, tan square A. So 3 3s are 9 divided by 4 minus 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Divided by 4 cube is 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4 is 64. Divided by 1 minus 3 square is 3 into 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. Equal to 64 is the LCM. We should take 9 divided by 4. 4 into 16 is 64. So we should multiply by numerator. So minus 27 divided by 64 divided by 1 minus 3 9s are 27 divided by 16. That is equal to 9 16s are 144 divided by 64 minus 27 divided by 64 divided by 1 16s are 16. 16 minus 27 is minus 11 divided by 16. So it's a subtract then 144 minus 27 is 117 divided by 64. It's a reciprocal then 16 divided by minus 11. So 16 and 64 is cancelled 4 times, so that is equal to, this is a 1 time, 117 into 1 is 117 divided by 4 into minus 11 is minus 44. So plus 44 we should write a minus here. So minus 117 divided by 44 is the answer, tan 3A. That's all.